Hammond's SureCure and new revolutionary Treated SureCure are now being produced in North America.
SureCure is to a battery manufacturer what steel rebar is to a cement manufacturer. It provides extra strength and durability to the active material and even allows you to use less material because what you have is much stronger. In technical terms, SureCure is a micro-milled seed crystal of tetrabasic lead sulfate that facilitates the growth of tetrabasic lead sulfate in the battery and allows for that increased strength and durability, which will lead to extended cycle life and performance.
Hammond patented the process of tetrabasic lead sulfate, or SureCure manufacturing, years ago. The new SureCure production line in Hammond is a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility that doubled the capacity produced through our sister plant in order to meet the growing demand of our customers in North America and elsewhere. Hammond, Indiana was chosen for this line specifically due to its close proximity to our customers, to our R&D center, and also our quality department, as this will fall under that IATF umbrella that many of our customers are requesting.
SureCure benefits the battery manufacturer by taking the guesswork out of crystal growth. It'll allow for consistent, uniform-sized crystals of tetrabasic lead sulfate, provide consistency between batches, and a consistent, better-performing product.
One of the key parameters is the crystal structure itself. Hammond utilizes the manufacture of litharge through the stainless steel Barton reactor. That's controlled to achieve a very specific orthorhombic crystal structure. That is then used into the reactor and then acid added to that mixture at a faster rate and then slowed down toward the end of the reaction to achieve a pure tetrabasic lead sulfate crystal. And from that crystal, we then, once we confirm that in the laboratory analysis, would send that over to the new Netsch Neos 50 mill. We're able to mill the material down to the various particle sizes. No matter what the customer requirements are on particle size distribution, this mill helps us to meet those demands.
Hammond's new SureCure production line is built with automation for consistency and built-in quality control measures.
The particle size is what we have to shoot for when we're doing our customer specs. If it's not the correct particle size, the material won't work the way we want it to. So that is one of the most important tests.
Hammond's latest innovation is Treated SureCure.
Hammond has worked closely with our customers in the past 20 years to develop SureCure, and several of them have claimed that it's one of the best products that Hammond's produced. Recently, several major battery manufacturers have decided to switch to our new Treated SureCure product. Treated SureCure undergoes an additional finishing step during its manufacturing process that helps to control the final crystal size of the 4BS that is grown in the battery. This additional control allows for better formation efficiency and charge acceptance in battery performance.
Treated SureCure creates better paste, better plates, and better batteries. Contact Hammond today to see how SureCure and Treated SureCure can improve your battery manufacturing.